Want to speak English better? Here are 10 useful prepositions you need. Let's go. Apply for is used when you officially ask for something like a job, school, or visa. For example, I want to apply for that job. Another example, did you apply for university? Depend on means something is affected by something else, or you can trust someone. For example, it depends on the weather. Another example, you can depend on me. Borrow from means you take something for a short time and then give it back. For example, can I borrow a pen from you? Another example, she borrowed money from her friend. Lend to is the opposite of borrow. You give something and the other person will return it later. For example, I lent my book to him. Another example, never lend money to strangers. Suffer from means you have pain or problems because of something, often sickness or stress. For example, he suffers from headaches. Another example, many people suffer from stress. Shout it means speaking in a loud, angry voice to someone. For example, do not shout at your brother. Another example, why are you shouting at me? Belong to shows who owns something. For example, who does this phone belong to? Another example, that book belongs to the library. Think of is used when giving an opinion. For example, what do you think of my dress? Another example, I don't know what to think of that idea. Protect from means to stop something bad from happening. For example, this sunscreen protects you from the sun. Another example, parents try to protect their children from danger. Complain about means to say you are not happy with something. For example, he always complains about the food. Another example, stop complaining about everything. Now let's practice. Fill in the blanks. Pause the video if you need. Here are the answers. Number 1, she applied for a new job. Number 2, this jacket will protect you from the rain. Number 3, I need to borrow a pencil from you. Number 4, please don't shout at me. Number 5, they always complain about the weather. Great work! Good job! Follow for more videos, and if you have questions, just leave a comment. See you next time.